Good morning, everyone. Myself, Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT GPW Hubli. In last previous sessions, we have discussed regarding human anatomy's relevant topics. Now, this is the last session of this topic. Let us proceed. In last session, we were discussing about technical terms in that fad and other some more examples were there. Fad, fashion design, fashion designer, these were the technical terms. Now let us proceed with the next technical term, that is haute couture. Haute couture you can pronounce, or else haute couture you can pronounce. Now, this haute couture is nothing but it is one of the French term which means high dressmaking. High dressmaking is related with the made to order apparels. Made to order apparels are nothing but, whereas the private clients will be there who will place the order individually, and these are made to order apparels with individuals' personal fitting will be there. These are constructed by taking individual measurements, and these apparels are of high expensive, whereas special care will be taken and with unusual or rare fabrics are used to construct these fabrics, and designs will be very much unique and the fabric will be unique. More details are added, special attention will be paid for individual clients and finished with very attractive finishing, and capable sievers will sew the garments. The capable sievers will sew the garments, and capable pattern makers will be there. Capable as well as experienced pattern makers. And one more special thing or special objective in this haute couture garments is, from starting till the end of the garment, it will be totally handmade. No other major machineries are used except sewing. So these garments are very much expensive. Next one is mannequin. Mannequins are also known as mannequin, dummy, lay figure or dress forms. These dress forms are articulated doll used by artists, tailors, dressmakers, even window dressers are also using this one. Whereas whenever you go for shopping purpose to malls or any other showrooms, you can see the window displays where the garments or apparels will be draped on the dress forms or mannequins for the attractive appearance. And these things will attract the clients or customers who goes for shopping. And even these mannequins or dress forms are used for fitting purpose or taking the measurements. Especially for trial and designing aspects also these are used. draping the patterns. For draping the patterns, these mannequins are used by the fashion designers or pattern makers. These are available in two colors. One is with white, silver white, and other one is black. And sometimes these are available with padding or unpadded one. Next one is texture. Here texture describes the body surface of the fabric. Textures may be rough or smooth, coarse or fine, crisp or clingy, soft or stiff, thin or bulky, opaque or sheer, shiny or dull, heavy or light, or any combination of these characteristics can be considered as the texture of a fabric. Texture, when we can feel the texture of the fabric by touching it, even by vision also some of the fabrics can be recognized how the texture will be. Whenever we go for choosing the fabrics for any costumes or dresses, the texture is most important thing. We should check the texture, and draping quality of the fabric depends upon its texture majorly. So the texture is very much important. And texture depends upon the combination of fiber also. For example, silk drapes well, it shines more than compared to any other fabrics. Cotton is bit dull than compared to silk. It is soft, no doubt, but it is bit stiff, soft and stiffy. But silk is soft and lustrous. Okay, these are only two examples. Many more are there. Try with the texture, studying of texture, you'll come to know. The next one is custom made. It's custom made is nothing but relevant with the haute couture. The custom made apparels are constructed on the basis of individual measurements by taking the individual measurements separately and according to the specification required by the clients or customers or consumers. These custom made apparels are produced separately, individually. Step by step, orderly, the work will be proceeded. First the pattern will be designed, then it will be cut, then it will be tried on the wearer after finishing, so that these apparels are fitted well. The next is vogue. Popular acception or favor popularity. A period of popularity or one that is in fashion at a particular time, or arch the leading place in popularity or acceptance. Now look here. The vogue is a thing which is related with the marketing. Or vogue is a term, whereas it means that some products or some fashion lives for a certain period of time, that is called as vogue. Okay? And it gains quick popularity. Quick popularity, as well as the people will accept that particular fashion. So that is called as oak. Now here there are some multiple choice questions for you guys. Haute couture translated literally in French for options are tailoring, dressmaking, ready-mades, custom made. Texture describes the body and surface of accessories, pattern, fabric, oak. Now let us see the answers. Question number 1, option is B, that is dressmaking. Question number 2, C. Option is C, that is fabric. I hope you all understood the session. Thank you guys for your patience. Let us see you in the next session. Take care.